Hello everybody, it's me again, Jessica Smith, co-owner of Smith & Mendoza Salon in Coral Gables. Today I'm going to be doing an extra special look. This is a little bit more dressy, it's very pin-up inspired. I love Marilyn hair, so this is as close as I can get to that iconic look. So today, to start, because I'm going to be using a curling iron, I'm going to first protect my hair with a thermal protector. This is the one that I use. It's from Alfaparf Milano. And I'm going to put this generously on all of my hair. And this is a look that I like to do after a couple days of not washing it. With it being a little bit dirtier, I feel like it holds the style a little better. But I also don't want to have greasy roots. So I'm going to put some dry shampoo just on my roots, just to help kind of fluff it up and give it that volume. Really important, especially around the front, because we want this to look not greasy and get a little more volume around the face. Now the sectioning. I'm going to brush my hair first, make sure I'm not ripping my hair up. All right, so I like to wear a side part, so I'm gonna do my side part where it kind of naturally lays. And from the end of that part, I like to draw a line from the part to right behind my ear, and that's going to be the front section. And with this, I'm going to clip this away, just to keep my sections organized and clean. Oh, and for this look, you will need a lot of clips. I have a whole box of clips, so if you have them, get them. If you don't, buy a few more. You can also use bobby pins. I just find the clips are a little easier to take out at the end. Okay, so the other side, from the part, draw a line on your scalp all the way to behind your ear. And we're gonna section that too. And the back leading out the nape area. Okay. So I usually start on the wider side, and you just want to take sections that are about as thick of the barrel as you're using. So mine's about 1 inch. So I'm going to take about 1 inch, 1.5 inch sections here. The important part of this is not to curl it with the roots going down. You want to lift it up when you're curling, because you want to get that full volume. So I'm going to lift the hair up, roll this on here, hold it for a second without closing, and once I do close it, I'm going to just kind of hold on to the end and keep twirling it until the end disappears. And I'm going to hold it just for a second. Be very careful with this. I like to kind of click it. So you want to clip it inside at the top. So don't clip it down here, because that's going to make the root fall. So I tried to clip it at the very top of it. And continue on all the way to the top. Make sure that root is going up. And kind of wrap and click it and turn. Be very careful doing this part. And the reason I curl it like this instead of going from the bottom up is I want the most amount of heat to be at the root, so I start at the top. That's going to give me the most volume. side and do the same thing. I always start from the bottom and work my way up. So a quick trick, if you have a hard time doing this kind of pin curl in the back, you can just curl the rest of your hair, brush it out, and then form the front. So you don't have to do this to all of your head, but you can. That is the option, to do the barrel curls throughout the whole thing. Or you can cheat and just curl it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing in the back. I'm gonna put a little more thermal protector because these little baby hairs are very fragile at the bottom. So I'm going to continue doing that up through the back. It's a little dangerous, I think, to do this without having a mirror that you can see the back of your head to do this style. So I will be right back. I'm going to continue doing that all the way back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes now. So time to take out the pins or the clips or whatever you put them up with. So this is fun and curly, but it's time to give it a little bit more shape, a little more styled look. So I am going to brush this out a little bit. I'm going to use my comb to kind of shape it how I want. And once I get the shape I like, I'm gonna put a clip in there to hold it. So I'm going to go in kind of that wave pattern, and on the inside of the curves, I'm going to clip it. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of finessing it to get it how you like it. Comb. So I'm kind of combing it and I'm keeping the teeth pressed against my scalp. I'm putting my finger on the C shape of the curl and kind of dragging that forward. And then you can put your finger right underneath, holding it against your head, and kind of brush out below. And once you get a shape that you like, hairspray it so it doesn't move. I like to use the original hairspray by Alfaparf Milano. And then I let that set for a few minutes. And this is how I do my vintage pinup Marilyn inspired look. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button and check the little bell for notifications for any new videos that we put up. And what do you guys think? You like it?